Tristan and Gunther, always good for a smile. Tristan and Gunther, they are cooking in the wild.
Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking in the Wild. Today we're here in Bradford County, Connecticut at the historical Diggins Cabin. You won't find any espresso machines in these parts, but rather mini cafes pumping out amazing lattes in wood-fired ovens.
It is said that in 1822, a young woman by the name of Delilah Diggins was sick of drinking cowboy coffee, so she decided to bake her morning cup instead.
Today we're gonna take that same method outdoors and cook it in the wild. First thing you're gonna wanna do is dig a hole in the ground roughly 1.5 feet deep. Line the entire thing with fresh cut pine needles and baking soda. Add 1 cup of any type of milk and 2 heaping tablespoons of ground coffee into your ceramic coffee mug.
Place it in the center of the pit and secure your mug with a few choice stones. These will help to stabilize your mug and act as a heat conductor as well.
Cover everything with a burlap coffee bag. This will help insulate the oven and keep it at an even cooking temperature. Oh, and after that, gently cover the hole back in with the remaining soil. So at this point, we want to build a campfire on top of the oven that we have just constructed.
Simply light the fire and let it burn through the night.
Hey, what's up? We're back. It's 6:30 in the morning, and that fire has been burning through the night. And we're just about ready to see how our latte has turned out. I think I can smell the crema! First, remove all the ashes and wood debris with a shovel until you get to the burlap bag. Tristan, you want to have the honors?
Sure do.
Whoa! That's incredible! Let's have a taste. Well, Tristan, what do you think?
I think that's the best freaking latte I've ever had.
Well, there you have it. That's all the time we have for today. Thanks again for joining us on another episode of Cooking in the Wild.
Tristan and Gunther, always good for a smile. Tristan and Gunther, they are cooking in the wild.